Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to unbox and take a quick look of the latest and the most powerful device. Yes, that is iPhone 13 Pro Max. So currently this device is considered as the most dominant among any category. For example, if we talk about the camera module or display or voice quality or even the battery performance, this iPhone is serving the best out of everything. It is giving the most flagship performance as compared to any other competitor in this range. So as you can see that this is the box of latest iPhone 13 Pro Max model, and the first thing you all are going to notice is that you are not getting any plastic wrap around it which we used to get earlier in the previous model. In addition to it, there is a new way of opening the box, so let's just get through it and pull it off. Simple enough. Let's open the box and there is the device. The packaging is similar as they did for the all last few generations, like screen facing down and camera facing upward. So let's just put the device aside and let's just see what we get in the box, and then we will take a good look around the device. So first there is the data cable or the charging cable which we get every year in every model. So let me just put the cable aside and let's just move to the documentation stuff, which is very similar to the previous generation, like the documentation, SIM ejector tool, and finally one Apple sticker which we always get in all the boxes. Eventually this year also Apple are not giving any handsets inside the box, so that's quite simple and that's all we are going to get in the box. Now let's just take a quick look around the device. As you can see that the design is pretty much similar to the previous model, but there are very quite few improvements in camera module which are very gimmicky. I don't know whether many people are going to use it or not. So this is a typical iPhone Pro Max design with ceramic shield front, textured matte glass back, and stainless steel design with glossier from all the sides. The sides are very much fingerprint attracting and the device feels quite premium and heavy in weight. So let me just peel off the plastic cover and I will try not to attract many fingerprints on the screen. This is the front camera module with a smaller notch accompanying few sensors, and this is the newly minted and more advanced camera module. Now let's just look around the device. Here is the alert slider, volume rockers, and then a SIM tray. On bottom we are getting stereo speakers and the charging slot for the lightning cable, and this iPhone also supports fast charging as well as wireless charging. On the other side we are getting nothing more but a power button. So let's just quickly put on the device. Let me just quickly set up the device and get back to you. And here is welcome to the new iPhone. As you can see that there are few sensors for the Face ID with a smaller notch as we have discussed earlier, and the screen looks quite bright and very responsive as well. So let's just first talk about the display and the dimension of this iPhone 13 Pro Max. In this device we are getting 6.7 inches of display size, which is very big and wide as well. Along with that we are definitely getting more improved Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion having a resolution of 458 ppi. This new Super Retina XDR display intelligently ramps up when you need exceptional graphic performance and ramps down to save power when you don't. This device has round corners followed by a beautiful curved design which allows more screen ratio. In addition to all this, ProMotion technology is quite adaptive, which gives a refresh rate of 120Hz with 2,000:1 contrast ratio, and its brightness can go up to 1000 nits and even 1200 nits on HDR mode. Consider it is a display so responsive that every interaction feels new. Moreover, in this model we are getting IP68 water, dust and splash resistant, which is the standard specifications for all the devices. Apart from such an exceptional display, let's just now talk about the newly minted A15 Bionic chipset, which is the world's fastest chipset. Along with that, it has a all-new 5-core GPU which delivers 50% faster graphic performance compared to any other competitors. In addition to this, the new CPU performance and efficiency core power through complex tasks and preserve battery life. Moreover, it can perform 15:8 trillion operations per second, which is an exceptional task to pull off. I must say, year after year, iPhone Silicon pushes new ideas what's possible with smartphone, which is the biggest reason why they have built such an exquisite product every generation. Finally, talking about the camera and the battery performance. As we all know that Apple's camera module is its USP. Its camera is quite a differentiator factor from its competition. So the camera module looks similar to the previous model. It has 12 megapixel camera system with 3 lenses. First is telephoto, second is wide, and the last is ultra wide. The Pro camera system has the next level hardware that captures so much more details. Its super intelligent software is mind-blowingly fast. It changes the way we shoot. With its redesigned lens and powerful autofocus system, it can focus from 2 cm of distance, which allows us to get even the smallest detail, which seems epic. By including this feature, Apple has now entered in the macro photography as well as videography segment by setting the bar way too high for the other devices. Now talking about its exclusive leverage in camera system, that is its LiDAR sensor. This sensor is used for night mode portraits, which is one of the best feature till now for low light shots. The ultra wide can capture 92% more light for better photos and videos. Now iPhone can shoot with shallow depth of field and alternatively add focus transition, which is very beneficial for its cinematic mode, so you can now change focus or delay the level of bokeh after capturing. Its cinematic mode does support Dolby Vision HDR mode, so no wonder your selfies or videos will not only looks good but also sounds great. In the end, even though by serving the best of its ability with such an exceptional display and hardware module, this iPhone 13 Pro Max has the best battery life among all the other iPhones. It provides up to 2.5 more hours of battery life. It can easily last up to the day or even more. With deep and best integration of software and hardware, Apple has created the most powerful device of this generation. So that's it for today's video guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. I am literally overwhelmed by your response on my previous videos. Keep watching my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in next video.